Hey students, how are you doing? I hope you're good. I challenge you to solve this simple versus hard Y-Intercept question and graph. Sit back, enjoy. For some of you that you feel you're ready, pause, solve first before you confirm whether you're right or wrong. Here we go. All right, we have the function f is defined by f of x equal to 1 over 10x minus 2. What is y-intercept? The meaning of y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So all you do is to substitute 0 for x, and then you have 1 over 10 times 0 minus 2. So everything here gives you 0. So therefore, your f of 0 is equal to minus 2. What have you done? When x is 0, y is minus 2. And that is it. Very simple. Option B. Now let's look at the challenge one made easy. For line H, the table shows 3 values of x and their corresponding value of y. So meaning the information here is for line what? H. Line K is the result of translating line H down 5 units in the xy plane. So if I want to get line K, all I do is to find the equation for line H, then I move it down 5 units, meaning minus 5. That's all. So the focus is to find line H. You've been given x 3x, so call this x1, call this x2. I don't really need the third one. Call this y1, call this y2. And to find the equation, first and foremost, you find your slope, denoted with m, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you plug in the value, which is 160 minus 130 over 23 minus 18, and that will give you 30 out of 5, and when you divide you have 6. So I have my slope. And how do I generate this equation? In the form of I can use a point and a slope, meaning I have a point and a slope. My slope I have gotten to the 6, and I'm going to use a point, which is the first point, that's 18, 130. And this is my x1, y1. So therefore, I can recall the formula, which is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now, plug in all your information. You have y minus, what is y1? That's 130. Equal to m is 6 into x minus 18. That is all. You can open the bracket to simplify further, and that will give you 6x minus 6 times 8 is 48. So you have 8 carry 4, 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4, that's 108. So now this is the equation for line H. So I'm looking for K, and for me to find K is just to bring this down and add and subtract 5 from it. So you have y minus y minus 130 equal to 6x minus what? 108. Then you take out 5 from it. That's all. So you can move 130 to the other side if you wish to simplify further, and that will give you y equal to 6x minus 108 minus 5, then plus 130. Now you can go ahead and find the x-intercept. That is what we have to find, x-intercept. And x-intercept means your y equal to 0. So I'm going to substitute y equal to 0 here, and if I do, I have 0 equal to, this is 6x, 100 and negative 108 and negative 5. This will give you 13, carry 1, add it up. That's what I'm doing. Then you have 1 and 1. So it will still give you negative. So if you are taking this away from 130, so what you have is 130 minus 113. And that will give you 7 and 1. So you have 17. So the whole of this expression that you have here is to simplify to plus 17. And therefore, I can move 6x to the other side. So you have the negative 6x equal to 17. And you divide both sides by negative 6. So you have x equal to 17 over negative 6. Therefore, when your x is negative 17 over 6, your y is 0. And that's X-Intercept. Thank you very much. So our answer is D. I hope you enjoy the simple versus hard. More will come in the next video. Thank you very much. And please do well to subscribe, share, comment. Thank you.